Hello everyone, and welcome back to OGA Academy. As we continue with the series of videos that we are doing on the dashboard of our back office, today we will be looking at a very important topic, which is a crucial part of the business. That is commissions. As you can see from the screen here, we have a dedicated panel for the commissions in our dashboard. Also, there is a specific tab here on the left where we can easily access the reports of the commissions. If we click there, we will see that this page opens where we can start exploring the different information pertaining how much and when commissions were earned, and also where they are coming from, meaning weekly, monthly, or quarterly commissions based on the 7 different ways to generate profit of our compensation plan. We will focus our attention on the first 3 tabs of this page, which are the ones referring to the mentioned types of earnings. We are located on the weekly commissions right now. However, before we start seeing the actual legs, we need to be sure that we are setting the correct period that we want to look at. As you can see on the right, you have drop-down menus that will allow you to choose the desired time frame that you are interested in. For weekly commissions, intuitively, the periods are divided into weeks, with the date shown being the Monday of every week. So, as you may see, we have the structure of the dual team being showed first, since this is the most important source of weekly commissions. You can have a summary of the previous and current volume of both right and left legs. Also, we can see total volume amounts, the rate being paid, and finally, how much has actually been cycled and effectively earned by this distributor. As you know, having earned these commissions does not mean that they have been paid out yet, since weekly commissions are paid 2 weeks after. We then have the tabs for earnings coming from Fast Track Bonus. Whenever we sell a promotional sales pack or PSP, we will see the FTB earned reflected here. Finally, in the weekly tab, we have the retail earnings, which are associated with the sales of products through your replicated website. Each retail customer that places an order and generates retail commission will show up here with name, order number, and how much you earn from their purchase. We can then move to the monthly commissions tab. Here we have a first tab that represents the summary of the other 4 ways of earning monthly commissions. When you have earnings on different streams that all converge into monthly commissions, you will see how much you have got from each of them individually, and at the bottom a total of how much will be deposited the following month when commissions are paid out. If we then go tab by tab, we can explore in more detail how much earnings are specifically coming from each stream, that is, unilevel matching, generational, and preferred customer bonuses. With that, you will have details regarding the country of distributorship of the account that has given you the commissionable points, the level that account has into your organization, and what level it has been paid as because of the dynamic compression. We also have distributor information such as ID and full name, the volume taken into account from the purchase, and the percentage being paid on that volume. Finally, we have the amounts paid, which are expressed in the universal or global currency, that is in US dollars, and how much that is when converted into the local currency. For example, someone in Italy who gets paid in euros will have the amount in US dollars in the column on the left, and then that same amount converted into euros on the right column. The same kind of information can be seen in all 4 tabs, adding to the monthly commissions. This is the most convenient way to explore in detail where this type of commission is generating from, how much it is, how much volume was in play when making the calculations, and ultimately a way to keep track of the activity within your organization. Finally, we have the quarterly earnings, so when we click on this tab here, we can see the information regarding the amount earned from the global pool. Columns show details of what type of pool we are talking about, how much shares that represents, and the amounts being generated based on those percentages. Once more, amounts are expressed in global and local currencies. Excellent! We think we have covered all the most relevant information associated with the visualization of your commissions in the BO. I hope this is useful information for you. Thanks once more for your attention, and we will see each other again as we continue with this back office series.